Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your Squarespace domain to your Shopify store. No technical skills required, just follow me and you'll have your domain connected in just a few simple steps. From your Shopify dashboard, you click on Settings on the bottom left hand side and then click the Domains. Here you will have three options. We will select the Connect Existing Domain button and put in our current domain. Let's head back to our Squarespace account. We first log in and then head to Dashboard, Domains, and click on the domain we want to connect to Shopify. Then from the left hand menu, we click DNS. This will list down all the existing DNS settings for your domain. Click the trash can icon to delete the existing Squarespace DNS records, as we need to add the records from the Shopify store. We need to add two records, an A record and a CNAME record, as given in the Shopify settings. So we click on the Add Record button. Enter the following information for your A record: host @ type A, we can leave the priority, and data as the data provided in the value field for our Shopify store. So once all the data is entered, we click Save. Now, once the A record is done, it's time to add the CNAME record. We add host as www, select type as CNAME, and put in the data from the values field in our Shopify store and press Save. Once that is done, our Shopify domain is connected and we are ready to move our Shopify store to that domain. All right. Once that is done, let's head back to Shopify dashboard and verify our settings. It takes around a couple of minutes and then our domain will be reflected here. So that is it. I hope you liked the video. Do let me know in the comment section if you want any other tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.